Hello and welcome to EBANQ. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to add articles in the languages other than default English once the multi-language module was enabled in your system. Before watching this video, we recommend watching the introduction to the multi-language module, the link to which you are now seeing in the top right corner. To add a new language to already existing article, simply go to the New section in your EBANQ admin interface. Click on an existing article, for example this one, and click on Edit here or here. Scroll down to the section Add Additional Article Language and choose, for example, Spanish. Click on Add Another Language. Add your title. And save. And now this is the user's interface, and the users will be able to see the article in Spanish if this is set as their default language. Let's have a look now at how you can create an article in another language. So we are back to Administrator's Interface, New section, Create Article. First English appears as default. And for example, you want to add an article about upcoming banking holiday, 24th October, and your text about the holiday. And then you want to add the same text in Spanish. So you either type in or copy paste the subject line and the body, and click on Save. Your article is in the list of the articles. Let's have a look at what the users see. And the article now appears in the user's interface as well. In case many of the users of your platform speak another language, for example French, what you can do is create the same article in the French version. Again, we scroll down to Add Additional Language, choose French, add your text in French, for example, and click on Save. And this is what happens on the user interface. It is now in the default English, but the user will be able to see the article, the news in the French language. If you wish to delete an article, click on the article, Edit, scroll down and click on Delete. You will need to confirm your choice as the article will be deleted permanently. As you can see, it is now not in the list of articles, and the users, once they refresh their interface, also won't have it. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and stay tuned for more on our EBANQ channel.